Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Ryan from EventWeb, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the coolest features of our platform, our Resume Wizard. As you may have guessed by the clever name, our Resume Wizard creates a free, professional resume specifically geared towards the trade show and corporate event industry in just a few simple steps. Once you've completed the wizard, you're free to download your resume and do whatever you'd like with it, or submit it directly to help wanted ads listed here on EventWeb. You can also add it to our resume database to help companies looking for talent easily find you. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go to myeventweb.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on Resume Wizard. Take a moment to read our beautiful copy if you'd like, then click Start Your Resume Now, and you will be transported to our Resume Wizard. You'll notice that some of these fields will be auto-populated. That's just EventWeb taking information from the account when you signed up. You're not required to use that information though, so feel free to change anything you'd like. We have the clever name of fake person here and some generic things that are already filled out for you. Email, phone number. Don't forget, if you put your phone number in, people will call you. So if you don't want to get calls, leave your number out. Location is where you're located, and then you have some social media profiles that you're free to put on here. For some positions, this might be pretty important. Others, not so much. We have our EventWeb Instagram page here just so you can see what it looks like when we're done. Intro title, this is going to be the first thing that anyone sees when they look at your resume, so it's important to make sure this looks and sounds good. We have a few different titles you can choose from or create your own. We'll pick summary, and then you have your description here. We just have something short, but this should be something that you put in that is going to really make someone want to keep reading that resume. So put some effort into this, I would say. If you want, as you're going through this, by the way, you can always hit Save as Draft right here, and that'll save it if you want to come back and finish it later. Otherwise, hit Next, and the next section is going to be your experience. So here we have Joe's Trade Show Company, start date and end date and a location, and then your position. Now, EventWeb has built-in positions here. So you have your parent position, which is shop, show floor, marketing, office, executives, etc. And based on what you click here, you're going to have a bunch of different sub-positions. So in the shop, carpenter, welder, warehouse, anything that you might want to do, or anything that you would have done in the shop at a show, and then a description of what that job was. Adding another experience here is just another company, so the other company, and same sort of deal, pick a different position if you'd like. We hit executives here, and then we picked vice president. Why not? Then click next, and we're going to go into your education. So you're going to put college, high school, whatever you might have done, trade school, name of the school, years attended. We'll start this at 1985. We'll say we were on a fast track for a PhD 5-year degree here. Languages spoken, also important. You'll have your main language here that you'll pick, and then if you're working internationally especially, this is really good for employers to see. We picked Spanish. We put conversational as the level that we have here. Then you're at the last step, step 4, which is just your references. The clever name of Mr. Reference here. Email, phone number. Again, if you put a phone number here, make sure your reference knows they might be getting a call. You can add more references if you'd like, but if not, just hit submit and you're done. It's a simple 4-step process, which also works mobilely, by the way, so this is very easy to do on your phone as well as on the computer. Once you're finished, you're going to come to this page where you can download your resume. We'll see what it looks like here. Click on download, and you see fake person, summary, experience, everything that we just put in. Now you can download this resume and you're free to use it however you wish. You don't need to use EventWeb to submit this, but it is easy on EventWeb to submit this to people that are already here. So if you'd like to do that, go back to EventWeb, go to the Help Wanted section and click on the job opening directory. And any of these jobs that you see here, you just click on See Job Opening, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see Submit Resume. You click on Saved Resume Wizard, type in any comments you might want to tell the person, and EventWeb will send your resume to this business. Now it comes from EventWeb, so it's not going to come from your email address. The only email they're going to see or any contact info they see is whatever you already have on your Resume Wizard. So keep that in mind. You can also upload a custom resume. As long as we're here, I'll mention that. If you have your own resume, just click on that and send it through. And otherwise, that is the Resume Wizard and how to use it and how to submit. You can also add your resume to our resume directory, which is going to be in another video, but that's another great way to get yourself noticed by businesses that are searching here to find you. Now that happens, you have to select to do that, so don't think that it automatically goes into the resume directory, and the only people that can view the resume directory are businesses that pay for it. So if you'd like to do that, you do it in my account. Go ahead and experiment with that if you'd like, but it's pretty simple. Click on my account, make your resume visible to potential employers, and again, there's a little bit more to it. We'll talk about that in another video, but I thank you for your time. I hope you found this video to be informative, and we'll see you on the show floor.